Hello everyone, welcome back to Enginuity Lab. This is part 32 of our CATIA V5 beginner series tutorial. And we will learn one of the most useful feature yet underrated command in CATIA V5, the scaling feature. This tool allows you to enlarge or shrink your 3D model with precise control. So let's get started. Go into the start, mechanical design and part design. And I'm going to rename this as scaling. To use the scale command in CATIA, I need a body. For that, I will create a sketch. Okay, and give the dimensions. I want this to be symmetric about this one. This to be symmetric about this one. The length of this one is 100 mm. Length of this one is 50 mm. Height should be, the width should be 80 mm. Okay, and I will give radius to the corners by using the fillet. I want 10 mm, or we can change it by change from this one to 5 mm. Click on exit workbench, give the height 10 mm. Now I have a feature or base object to create the scaling. I need to scale this one. So, and the scaling, you will find this on the transformation feature toolbar. Here you can find the scaling option. Click on the scaling, and on the reference element you can select by right clicking on different planes. Here I am going, and also you can select the reference. You can choose different options like point, vertex, center of a face, a reference point created in Sketcher Part Design, or a reference point HL. As for your use, you can select different references. Here let's select this face. Okay, and what should be the ratio? Let's say 2, and click on OK. When I select this face, this increases the height only, not the whole width. Okay, you can see this increases this face value to twice the height of this one. So let's create a point. I will create a point here. Okay, and this should be at the this should be 40 mm at the center of both side, and here I will use the scale and select this point as my reference. Now you can see the whole body is increased by scale of 2 or twice. Now also I can use another scale. where I can click on this reference and increase it another twice. This will increase 4 times from the original body. If I select this one to 0.5, this will create the half. Now you can check, this is now the same as the body created. Now this is 10 mm. In this way, you can control your feature by using scaling. What are the mistakes and how to avoid them? Scaling with ratio 0.1 may collapse teeny geometry. Scaling around a wrong reference point. Double check before clicking OK. Sometimes we can write the first option, we have select the face where it's only increases the height, didn't increase the whole feature of our body. So you have always to check if I have select the correct reference or not. That is for today's tutorial on the scaling feature in CATIA V5. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enginuity Lab for more beginner friendly CATIA tutorials. Stay tuned for the next part. We will continue exploring more transformation feature, the affinity feature in the next session. Thanks for watching Enginuity Lab. See you on next video.